Try these successful affiliate marketing tips today. In order to excel at affiliate marketing, you must understand the basics of the concept before you move on to attempting more complex methods. Without first nailing down the fundamentals, your empire will be unstable and could collapse at any moment. Keep in mind these simple ideas and techniques when starting a career and continue to apply them through all of your stages of success. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. Real-time statistics should be used so that you can track your sales on that site. You should be given a username and password so that you can log on and see exactly what sales you have made to the minute. You will be able to track the banners, text links and recommendations that are drawing in business. Nothing destroys a visitor's opinion of a website owner faster than a concealed advertisement. This does not mean that it is impossible to satisfy visitors and engage in affiliate marketing. The honest webmaster is simply honest and transparent about it. Visitors should always be made aware when a website gets money for endorsing a particular product. They rarely resent a straightforward advertisement as they do a duplicitous one. Problems usually occur when the affiliate marketer decides that he or she no longer needs to remember these simple rules and begins making things more complicated than they really need to be. While that may temporarily increase profits, it can result in a single disaster that causes your entire business to burn. Pay close attention, and when branching out, always do the research and testing beforehand. Student loan.